In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Container and Card. A container and card is a powerful layout element that helps you group content and control how it's arranged on your page. Think of it as a flexible box that can hold text, images, buttons, and more, while giving you precise control over alignment and structure. Let's walk through how to add one and use it effectively. Start by going to card.co in your browser. From the home page, open the dashboard to access your sites. Once you're in your dashboard, click on the project you want to work on. This opens the editor where you'll see your canvas on the left and the settings panel on the right. Inside the editor, click Add to insert a new element. From the list of elements, choose Container. You'll see a new container added to your page and its settings will appear so you can configure it right away. Next, look for the type dropdown in the container settings. This controls how content inside the container is arranged. For what we're doing today, choose Columns. Columns let you place content side by side, perfect for layouts like text on the left and an image on the right, or a pricing section with multiple tiers. Once Columns is selected, adjust how the space is divided between them. You can set the percentage split to match your design goals. Common choices are 50-50 for equal balance or 70-30 when you want one side to stand out more. Aim for proportions that keep your content readable and visually balanced. If you plan to add complex content on one side, give it the larger share. If you need more than 2 columns, click Add to insert another column. Use this sparingly for clarity. 2 or 3 columns usually work best, especially for mobile viewing. As you add columns, keep the percentages in mind so everything lines up neatly. When you're happy with the setup, click Done. Your container is now ready to use. You can add elements inside each column just like you would anywhere else on the page. Drop in text blocks, images, buttons, icons, or forms. Try to keep similar types of content grouped together and maintain consistent spacing so the layout feels cohesive. It's also helpful to preview your site to see how your columns flow on different screen sizes and adjust the split if something feels cramped. That's it. You've added a container, set it to columns, customized the split, and prepared it to hold your content. With this approach, you can build clean professional sections that are easy to scan and look great across devices.